In a quiet village surrounded by bluebell meadows and willow trees, lived a bright girl named Martha. She loved her Grandma Lila's enchanted garden, with its glowing mushrooms and friendly sunflowers. One night, Martha wished she could step into a dream. Later, as she lay in bed, a soft dinging woke her. Her grandma's garden was glowing. Curious, she put on her slippers and followed the shimmering path. As soon as she stepped into the garden, a warm breeze lifted her up. When Martha opened her eyes, she found herself in a magical place called the Garden of Dreams, filled with singing flowers and sparkling creatures. But something wasn't right, the colors were fading. A regal rose named Queen Rosetta greeted Martha. "We need your help," she said. A dandelion in a wizard hat explained, "The color catcher has stolen our colors." Martha joined Twirl, a cheerful caterpillar, to rescue the colors. Chapter 1. The Rainbow River. They hurried to the Rainbow River, but to cross it, Martha had to answer a riddle from an old toad named Sir Croaky. "What can you plant, share, and hold forever?" "A dream," Martha answered, and the bridge appeared. Chapter 2. Tickle Tulip Field. They reached the Tickle Tulip Field, where stepping wrongly made tulips toss you in the air. Martha laughed as they bounced her, and Twirl sang a song to guide them through. Chapter 3. Shadowy Woods. At last, they came to the shadowy woods and found the color catcher, a chameleon named Clem. "We want our colors back," said Martha, "but we want to help you too." Clem felt sad. "I just wanted to feel bright." "You don't need stolen colors," Martha said kindly. "You need friends." Clem agreed to return the colors, releasing a rainbow back into the garden. Chapter 4. Bloom Festival. The garden celebrated with a festival. Martha received a medal and Clem found his own special color, chameleon cheer. Queen Rosetta gave Martha a glowing seed. "Plant this by your window. The Garden of Dreams will always be close." Epilogue. The garden at home. The next day, Martha found the seed on her nightstand. She planted it outside. A golden flower appeared and winked at her. Martha's garden became magical, and every night, she dreamt of her adventures. Maybe one day, you'll find your own Garden of Dreams too. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.